Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to Chef Vic Cuisine. Today, we're making French toast. Now, this recipe takes little to no time to make. It's super easy, really hard to mess up, and if you're looking for a quick meal in the morning, try this French toast recipe. So, let's get started.
Alright, so for the ingredients, we're going to need 6 thick slices of brioche bread, 2 large eggs, 3 tablespoons of raw sugar, a 1/3 cup of buttermilk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, a 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1 pinch of nutmeg, 1 pinch of kosher salt, and finally 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter. So to get things started, you want to use a wide bowl or dish, and you want to crack open the eggs into the dish and then whisk those together really well. And then once the eggs are whisked, you can add the raw sugar and mix that into the eggs. And you just want to whisk the eggs and the sugar together until the sugar dissolves. Once the sugar has dissolved, we can go ahead and add in the buttermilk, the vanilla extract, the cinnamon, the nutmeg, and the pinch of salt, all to the bowl. And we want to whisk all these ingredients together until they're well combined. And this serves as the base for all the flavor that your French toast will have. So it's important to pick a bowl that's wide enough to fit in the full slice of brioche bread so that the slice of bread can be properly coated in the mixture. So what we want to do is dip each slice of bread into the egg mixture, allowing them to soak on both sides. But you don't want the slice of bread to be overly saturated with the egg mixture. And so you want to allow any excess egg mixture to drip off before moving the slice of bread from the bowl. And you only want to dip the bread into the egg mixture once you're ready to cook it. So in a large skillet set over medium heat, or 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 176 degrees Celsius, we want to add 1 tablespoon of butter to the pan. And 1 tablespoon of butter should be good for every 2 slices of French toast that you make. So you want to allow the butter to fully melt before adding 2 coated slices of the brioche bread. And so once you've transferred the bread slices to the hot skillet, you want to cook them until they're about golden brown on both sides. And this normally takes about 2 to 3 minutes per side. And you don't have to flip them very much at all, mainly only 1 time or 2 times, just to make sure that you have an even cook on both sides of the French toast. And depending on the heat of your pan and the amount of egg mixture soaked into the slice of bread, it may take a little longer than 2 to 3 minutes per side. So always keep a watchful eye on each slice of bread. So as you see after the first flip, we're starting to get some nice caramelization on the first side of the French toast. So all we need to do now is allow the French toast to cook the same amount of time on the other side. Once the time's up on cooking on that side, we can flip them one more time just to see how it cooked. And as you can see, it's just what we're looking for, so you can remove it from the pan and place it on a serving plate to the side. And then all you need to do is repeat the same steps for the remaining amount of bread. And don't worry about some of the bread pieces getting a darker caramelization or char to them. The brioche bread is so soft that even the most cooked parts of the bread are still super fluffy and delicious. And this recipe makes enough egg mixture to create 6 slices of French toast. But if you want more, you can always double the ingredients required to make the egg mixture. And I always like to serve French toast with some fresh berries, butter, and maple syrup or honey. Don't forget to fry that like button, and if you want to see more videos each week, subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon to be notified when my next video drops. And stay tuned until the end of this video for a sneak peek of the recipe coming next week. And just like that, you've just made your very own French toast. This is such an easy and quick breakfast dish that is sure to impress anyone that gets a chance to eat it. Fresh raspberries or strawberries, even blueberries go great with French toast. And also a dusting of powdered sugar will add some extra flair to the dish as well. As always, this recipe and many more can be found in my cookbook, Chef Vic Cuisine Volume 1, Finding Your Inner Chef. And that's available on Amazon, and I'll be sure to leave a link to that in the description box. And now, speaking of cookbooks, I'm super excited to announce to you all that this Saturday, my second cookbook will be releasing on Amazon in 3 different versions. And I'll create another video that I'll release on Saturday to give you guys more information on that. But I can't wait for you guys to try some of these new, absolutely delicious recipes. So stay tuned for Saturday for the official announcement. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon to be notified when my next video drops. And stay tuned for next week where I show you how to make this delicious cookie cake that'll serve as the 1-year anniversary of the start of Chef Vic Cuisine on YouTube. I can't believe it's already been a year. All of the friends and fellow cooks I've met along the way, you all continue to inspire me, and I can't wait to see where we go from here. Well, thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next week on another episode of Chef Vic Cuisine. And until then, peace.